Welcome to Mitson.com, your hub for Udemy discount coupons up to 100%. Need top freelancers for your business? Mitson has got you covered. Also, connect with expert instructors for enriching online classes. Start learning and growing today with Mitson.com. Do like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, it's Mitson Learning here, and today I'll be sharing my experience with the Python and Django Full Stack Web Developer Bootcamp course on Udemy. This course promises to be an intensive and practical guide to becoming a full-stack web developer, so let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Course objectives. This course aims to equip students with the skills needed to build robust and interactive websites and web applications using Python and Django. By the end of the course, students should be able to install and configure the necessary software for web development, including Python, Django, and a web server. Understand the fundamentals of Python programming, including data types, control flow, and functions. Learn how to create and manage databases using Django's Object Relational Mapping, ORM. Design and build web pages using Django's template system. Implement user authentication and authorization. Deploy a functional Django web application to a web server. Targeted audience. This course is suitable for anyone with a basic understanding of programming concepts and a willingness to learn. No prior experience with Python or Django is required, although familiarity with another programming language would be helpful. The course is also suitable for developers looking to expand their skill set and transition into full-stack web development. Course content. The course is divided into 6 modules, each focusing on a different aspect of web development with Python and Django. Module 1. Python and Django Basics, an introduction to Python and Django, including their architecture and design principles. Installation and setup of the development environment. An overview of Python syntax and fundamental concepts. Module 2. Django Fundamentals, an in-depth look at Django models, views, templates, and forms. How to create and manage databases using Django's ORM. Best practices for writing efficient and maintainable Django code. Module 3. Web Development with Django. How to build and deploy a basic Django web application. Techniques for securing user authentication and authorization. An introduction to RESTful API design and implementation with Django. Module 4. Advanced Django features. How to use Django's built-in authentication system to manage user accounts and roles. Techniques for optimizing Django web applications for performance. An overview of Django's testing framework and how to write unit tests for Django code. Module 5. Web Security and Deployment. How to secure Django web applications against common security threats. Techniques for deploying Django applications to a web server. Best practices for maintaining and updating Django web applications. Module 6. Final Project and Review, a guided project where students will apply their skills to build a full-stack web application from scratch. A review of the key concepts and skills covered in the course. Overall impressions. The Python and Django Full Stack Web Developer Bootcamp course is a comprehensive and well-structured learning resource for anyone looking to become a full-stack web developer.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more information. See you in the next video.